Most marketers know how to run ads and launch campaigns, but very few know how to scale them, fix performance issues, and control ROAS. That's where their careers stall. That's why the Advanced Performance Marketing Career Program by Alkemy EdTech is built exclusively for working professionals, not for beginners. In this program, you will master Meta Ads, Google Ads, full funnel strategy, CRO, analytics, scaling frameworks, AI powered workflows, and marketing automations, learning directly from experienced industry experts specializing in performance marketing. This program isn't about watching recordings, it's 100% live, trainer led program with hands on assignments, live projects, and a capstone portfolio project. You don't just learn, you apply, optimize, and scale. With one on one mentorship, resume and LinkedIn optimization, and interview opportunities, you move from execution to decision making. This is not a course on how to run just ads, but to make you a performance ready marketer in 30 days. Click on Start Your Application button and fill out the contact form for more details about the program. And our team will reach out to counsel you.